now walking into the number 3 blast furnace digital museum at the Shougang Park. Today, the historic industrial site is transforming into a stage, promising a spectacular fusion of China's ethnic music and cutting-edge digital technology. The performance unfolds in 5 chapters, ditching the traditional stage setup. Dancers and musicians take turns performing in 5 different spots around the number 3 blast furnace, immersing audiences into the music and culture.
We're trying something new this time, breaking away from the traditional seated theater format. Instead, we've created 5 chapters across 5 different locations, letting the audience move through the space and interact with the performers. It creates a whole new kind of energy, a dynamic, shared experience between people and art.
First, there's a striking contrast between the industrial setting and traditional ethnic culture, an unexpected pairing that feels fresh and captivating. Second, Shougang Park, with its remarkable transformation from a steel plant to a cultural landmark, has become a symbol of China's modern renewal and is now drawing global attention. By hosting our ethnic cultural event in such an international setting, we aim to share the rich diversity and vibrant spirit of China's ethnic communities with the world.
With the help of digital tech, visitors get an immersive, interactive feel for China's cultural depth and modern energy. Performers say it's a fresh and exciting experience.
The music sounds just the same, but the visuals, the stage setup, and how the audience experiences it all feel completely different. I find that really interesting. It's great to try performing in new kinds of spaces, and seeing different audiences enjoy my songs so much. That truly makes me happy.
For me, this performance has been a new kind of experiment. In the past, we performed on big stages, which often created a sense of distance between the performers and the audience. This time, though it's immersive and interactive, much more connected, much more alive.
Yang Ye, CGTN, Beijing.